you know, for us, it's home base. It was written by our own Papa James, E.E., for MAKEE's Island. The island was located there in the Honolulu Zoo. If you go there today, part of that island is still there. There was a bridge from Queen Kapiolani Hotel that took you over to the island in the zoo. And Papa James wrote it to honor Captain James MAKEE, who brought his ship in there. And we enjoy doing that for us. It takes us back to that time. Praise lot. This year it was just, we were so happy to be back to do it live. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves, and it was just a beautiful day with a beautiful event.